Friends, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, we had learnt on the overview of the vendor consignment process. Now, we will do the exercises on the vendor consignment process. The first exercise will be on how to create a consignment purchase order and display the on order consignment stock. Second exercise will be how to post the goods receipt for the consignment PO and display the vendor consignment stock. Third exercise will be to transfer the vendor consignment stock to our own stock. And fourth exercise will be to settle the consignment liabilities. Now we will take up the first exercise in this video. We will create a vendor consignment purchase order and display the on order consignment stock. Our exercise is to create a consignment purchase order for 10 quantity of a test material with our vendor 50004 purchasing organization purchasing group for our plant, test plant and storage location. After we create a consignment purchase order, display the on order consignment. And in my previous video on the overview of the vendor consignment process, I have very clearly explained that the prerequisite to create a consignment purchase order is we should have a consignment info record created for the consignment material and the vendor. Without consignment info record, we cannot create a consignment purchase order. Because when we create a consignment purchase order, we will use item category K and we will not put any price. Because the price will be picked from the consignment info record for the settlement of the liabilities to the vendor. So, first we will create a consignment info record and create a purchase order. Okay, let us go to the SAP screen here. So let me create the consignment info record. To create a info record, the transaction code we have to use is M11. I am in M11 T code. I will input the vendor, material, purchasing organization, plant, and here we have to select the info category consignment and enter here. So this is the general data, no need to enter anything. Just press enter, it will come to the purchasing organization one data. Here input the plant delivery time, it can be 3 or 5 days, whatever it is. Standard quantity, we can put it as 50 or 100. I will put it as 50. Price is 100 rupees for that bearing, 40 bearing. And in the tax code, 15% domestic input tax VA. Tax code as VA, which is 19%. 19% domestic input tax. Okay. I have selected the tax code as VA. Okay, as per our exercise here, it is 19%. Okay, not 19. Okay, 19% input tax. Okay, after we select all this, okay, then press enter. Okay, enter, enter, and save the data. Yes, info record is created. Okay, so now we will just display this info record from the top. Info record, display, enter. Just press enter. It will go to the purchasing organization data one. Here we can see all the details here. Okay, we can see the price, we can see the standard quantity, plant delivery time, tax code and everything here. Okay, so we have created the consignment info record and we are ready to create the consignment purchase order. Okay, so now we will create the consignment purchase order. Okay, so let us go to the SAP screen. The transaction code to create a purchase order is ME21N. I am in MB21N. Input our vendor 50004, the purchasing organization IN01, company code 1501. And if you just press enter, the purchasing group will also open. Our purchasing group is M01. Then here, the important thing is, we have to input the item category consignment. So whenever we create a consignment purchase order, the most important thing we have to note down is we have to put the item category as K. Double click here, it will capture here K. Then input our material K hyphen 10004, quantity is 10, 10, the delivery date, whatever delivery date, I am going to put it as tomorrow, next day. Plant is 9110, storage location is 1000. So the other important point when we create a consignment purchase order is no need to put a price here, because as soon as we put the item category as K, system will know that there is no need to input the price. And when we make the settlement for the consignment liabilities, that time the price will be pulled from the consignment info record. So no need to put the price in the consignment purchase order. Okay, you have put all the necessary data, then click on check button. See if something is missing, or if our data is fine. Which no messages issued during check, so everything is fine. Now click on save. So standard PO created under the number 4500017570. Just note down this PO number and let us display this purchase order number, consignment PO. Click on here other PO, other document. Okay, so this is the consignment purchase order. So the consignment PO is displayed here. Now in our exercise, it is a part of the exercise is to display the on order consignment stock. So this consignment stock we can display using the T code MMBE. Let me go to MMBE T code. MMBE, MMBE transaction code. Okay. Here I am in MMBE. Input the material, input the plant, and execute. So I can see that consignment order. Okay, we can see 10 quantity in 1000 storage location in plant 9110. Okay, so this is how to create a consignment info record and display the consignment order stock in MMB transaction code. Thank you for watching my video, and see you in my next video where we will take up the next exercise post processing for the consignment PO and display the vendor consignment. See you in my next video. Thank you.